Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So currently, in the stable version of Windows 11, if we head into our settings, Bluetooth and devices, and we scroll down to our touchpad settings, and we head into scroll and zoom, things are pretty limited in regards to the functionality in the OS for scroll and zoom. Now, this is all set to change because late last week, Microsoft rolled out the latest Windows Insider preview builds to the insiders. And with build 26,300.8376, which is the latest dev channel build, which is now part of the new experimental channel, Microsoft has rolled out quite a significant update for laptop users in regards to scroll and zoom, where Microsoft is now adding new gesturing functionality to precision touchpads directly within the settings app, which will be part of the settings Bluetooth and devices touchpad scroll and zoom page in these settings. So if we head over to an image provided from the announcement, here are the new scroll and zoom settings, which you can see there's a lot more going on than currently what's happening in the stable version. So based on the new settings page, you now have better control over the baseline speed of your scroll and zoom gestures using dedicated sliders, as we can see here to the right-hand side. And over and above that, we now get automatic scrolling, with Microsoft saying that scrolling continues indefinitely without lifting your fingers. Activate by either bringing your fingers near the edge of the touchpad while scrolling or holding them still and pressing harder, which Microsoft says does require hardware support. So the automatic scrolling is hardware related and obviously hardware specific. Then we get accelerated scrolling. Microsoft says regarding this action, repeatedly scrolling increases their speed, allowing quick traversal of long documents. And then we've got the fourth new option, which is single finger scrolling, with Microsoft saying you can perform a vertical scroll with a single finger starting from the left or right side of the touchpad. So basically, at the end of the day, to sum this up regarding the improvements, Microsoft says the touchpad improvements bring new gesture capabilities, including automatic scrolling, gesture speed controls, accelerated scrolling, and optional single finger scrolling support, which I do think is a nice move in the right direction. And just on a side note, Microsoft does note that these new features should work widely across most applications. The only catch basically is that Win UI 3-based user interfaces will require developers to update to Windows App SDK versions 1.8 and 2.0 for complete functionality, which Microsoft says it's currently working on delivering. And so that's taking place in the dev channel, which is now part of the experimental channel. And I don't see why that wouldn't make its way into the stable version. I think it will be a nice move and some improvements for scrolling and zoom in Windows 11. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.